Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve NCERT Maths Class 6 Chapter 12 Ratio and Proportion Exercise 12.2 question number 1. So friends, without wasting any time, let's get started. This question is, determine if the following are in proportion. Now some numbers are given and we have to tell if they are in proportion or not. Now what is a proportion? We can understand this by an example which is given in our book. You can see, so it is saying that if one boy has brought 3 pens for 15 rupees, okay, and other boy has bought 10 pens for 50 rupees. Alright, so he has bought 10 pens for 50 rupees. So which has bought costlier? Right, we have to identify. Now how can we identify in this? See, what is the proportion? That means when two quantities have the same ratio, then we can say that then we can say that two of them have the same ratio. How? See here, if you see for the first one, he has bought 15 upon 3 pens, right? So we will first make the ratio of the number of the rupees to the number of pens bought by the boy. So this becomes what? 5 upon 1, that is 5:1, right? And here this will be 50 upon 10 and that becomes 5 upon 1. So you can see that if you see for this also you will get 5:1, and for this also if you see the ratio will be 5:1. Now you can see that when you are getting the same ratio here and here also, then you can say that both of these are in proportion, or basically have the same value. So you can say here that both of them have bought pencils at the same rate. No one has bought costlier pens. Also you can do this in one way, that is by taking out cost of one pen, but that we don't have to do here since we are using proportion. So this is how we do it, right? And also we will use this sign to represent the proportion. So to the left you can write one ratio and to the right you can write another ratio or quantity, right? So let us start. Now the first A part is 15, 45, 40 and 120. So let us first write them down, right? And now you see here, if you have to tell that if these are in proportion or not, how will we say that? First of all, we need to make their pairs, right? Or there is one more way, by seeing the extreme terms and the middle terms. I will tell you that also. First we will make the pairs, then we will make the ratio, and then we will see if the ratio is coming out same or not. So first you will make this 15 upon 45, okay, this, and then we have this second one 40 upon 120, right? So let us do this. So this will be 3 and this will be 9. Now this 3 will be 1 and 9 will be 3, so you get 1:3. Here the ratio is 1:3. Now you see here 40 upon 120, so we cut this 0, 4 and 12 will go by 4, 1 and 3 times, right? So 1:3. You can see that both of the times we are getting the same ratio, 1:3. That means what? That these four quantities 15, 45, 40 and 120 are in proportion. Right, now you can do this by one more way, that is by seeing the extreme and the middle terms. What is that way? First let us see what are extreme terms. So out of these four terms, this term which is in the starting, first one and the last one, or the first and the fourth term, are the extreme terms, and the two which are in the middle are called the middle terms. Now by this also you can do by multiplying the extreme terms, that is first and fourth terms, and the middle terms, second and third terms. If the product of extreme terms is equal to the product of the middle terms, then four quantities are in proportion. If it is unequal, then they are not in proportion. So here both of these were coming out as 1:3, so they are in proportion. You can do the second method also by yourself. Now next part is 33, 121, 9 and 96. Right, now let us see this also. Again we will make the pairs first. So this first and this one, right? Like this you can divide both of these terms, 4 terms, right? Now you see, so this becomes 33 upon 121, this becomes 9 upon 96. Now let us do this. So 33 and 121 will be divisible by 11. How many times? 3 times, this 3 and this will be 1 and 11 times, right? So 3, 11, now you cannot simplify further, so 3 is to 11, right? Now this one 9 upon 96, this will be divisible by 3, so 9 goes 3 times, this 9 will be 3 and 2, right? So this becomes, you cannot simplify any further, so this becomes 3 is to 32. Now you see here that both of the ratios are you getting are the same. Are they same? No. So this means what? That these two are not in proportion. That means these 4 numbers here, okay, not 2 but 4 numbers 33, 121, 9 and 96 are not in proportion. Now next part is C1. This is 24, 28, 36, 48. So let us write this thing down. 24, 28, okay, 28, 36, 48. So this how will we do? Again make the pairs. First of all, 24 and 28 one pair, 36 and 48 another pair. Now we will make the ratios of these. So 24 upon 28, okay. Now you simplify this, so 1 and 2 by 12, by 2 I am dividing, and this will be going 1 and 4, 14 times. Now further by 2, how many times? 6 and 7. So this becomes 6 is to 7. So this is one ratio, right? Another one is here, we can do this, let us do it here, 36 upon 48. Again by 2 only I will divide this, 1 and then 1 there, so 18 times, this will be going 24 times. Now by 2 once again, this will be 9 and this will be 12. Again now by 3, so 3 and 4, so this is 3 is to 4. So you can see again the ratio you are getting here, 6 is to 7, 3 is to 4. Both of these are different. That means 4 terms, 24, 28, 36, 48. These 4 are not in proportion. Now next is 32, 48, 70 and 110. So this is 32, 48, 70, sorry, and 210. Not 110, 210. Now again we will first move on to make the pairs. So this first one 32 and 48, this second one 70 and 210. So let us make the pairs. 32 upon 48, right? So let us see what we will get. By 2 only I will first of all simplify this. So 1 and 6, 16 times, and then this 2 and 4, 24 times. Now further on also by 2, right? So this will be 8 times, this will be 1 and 12 times. Now we can do by 2 as well, 4 and 6. Now again in last by 2, so 2 and here 3. So this finally becomes 2 is to 3. So this is the ratio, that is 2 is to 3. For the other one here, that is 70 upon 210. Let us solve this thing. This 0 cut, this 0 cut. So 7 and 21 go by 7, 1 and 3 times. So you get 1 is to 3. So you can see that what the ratio you get is not the same. That means that the 4 numbers here, 32, 48, 70, 210 are not in proportion. Next part is 4, 6, 8 and 12. So let us do this also. 4, 6, 8 and 12. Again make the ratio. So this one will be first one, this one will be second one. So you have 4 upon 6 first and we have 8 upon 12 second. Now simplify this by 2 and 3. So 2 is to 3. Right, this is what we will get here. And here if you see, this will be 4, this will be 6. Now this will be 2 and this will be 3 by 2 only. So this becomes also 2 is to 3. So you can see both of the ratios are what? Same. So that means 4 numbers 4, 6, 8 and 12 are in proportion. Okay. Now next one 33, 44, 75, 100. So 33, 44, 75 and 100. These are our numbers. So let us first make the pairs. So this will be one, this will be another. So this is 33 upon 44. Right. So cut this by 11, 3 and 4. This is 3 is to 4. Okay, first one. Second is 75 upon 100. So you can see both of these are divisible by 5. So let us divide them. So this will be 1 and 5, 15 times, right? And then this will be 20. Now by 5 again. So 3 and 4. So you get 3 is to 4. Again you are getting the same ratio. That means we can say the 4 numbers 33, 44, 75 and 100 are in proportion. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also leave a like on this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, wear a mask, maintain social distancing and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.